it's never too late to start your own fitness journey. I started. I hope that you start too through the content. Come down and see what you can experience right here at Pure Fitness.
Yep, make it way and let's have a good time together, guys.
Once again, as I said before, we're trying to build a community, so we're trying to get to know the instructors before they actually instruct you. Right here on Mike on the Mic.
Alright, so my name is Mickel Daniel. I work with Pure Fitness and my company's name is My Journey Fitness. Yeah, I've been in the fitness industry for quite a time now. Maybe like about, well, more than 10 years. I've started training since 2012. I started my journey in life fitness where I eventually branched off into competing. I did men's physique in 2013, I believe it was. Yeah, so that's where my journey started actually.
And how that journey has been thus far?
Oh, a journey full of challenges. Well, strangers mentioned you with Journey. The name of my company, as I mentioned before, is My Journey Fitness. And I named my company My Journey Fitness because I believe I had a serious journey as it pertains to the fitness and my health-wise. I got into an accident in 2016. And in 2016, I discovered that I had a heart condition. Something called Wolff-Parkinson White. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it at all.
No, I'm not.
If you're not, it's basically like electrical, something wrong with the electricity in my heart. So what it did, it caused like palpitations, chest pains, and it felt like impending doom, like I was dying, you know. So from 2016 to 2022, I hadn't really exercised at all. And it was all because of the whole heart condition that I had. So in 2022, the end of 2022, I was able to do a procedure on my heart, catheter ablation. That's where they send some small fine needles up through your groin, up to your heart, penetrated the wall of your heart, and then operated accordingly. So since then, I started back my fitness journey, and I actually started with a great company, which is Pure Fitness. And yeah, things have been going well so far, man.
So what I got from that is that we all have our own journey.
Yes.
And a lot of the times, it's not a straight line.
It isn't a straight line at all, you know, it's filled with so many obstacles. You might watch people and you never know what it is they're going through in their life, you know, because sometimes people might see me smiling, happy, always, you know, jolly, and they never know that I experience certain trials like that.
I honestly didn't know. That he went through something like that, and it's commendable that you continue your fitness journey, because a lot of times, mentally, we sabotage ourselves from coming to the gym or even starting to work out or that health and wellness, and it's mainly because we waited for perfect. What do you tell those outside who waited for perfect in order for them to start?
There's no perfect time. My best advice is to really just start, because if you wait for that perfect moment, it might end up very and dead, to be honest. So just start.
Okay, and if anybody comes into the gym and want to start the fitness journey and start with your company, how do you direct them?
So I let them know if it is you're interested in starting. I give my prices and I give you the kind of program that we get into, whether it be like strength training, mobility, more cardio-based exercises and so on. So whatever suits your needs, I try to adapt accordingly.
And who would you say is your preferred client?
Anybody. Come. Just come.
Thank you, Mickel.
No problem at all, man. Thank you.